Okay, YouTube, here it is, the new sight on the Smith and Wesson Model 629. Here is the old sight. As you can see, it is very old and worn without a white outline. And this one is a .146 white outline. Great sight picture now. It just takes a few tools, block wood, punch. Really tricky getting the spring and the little notch that makes it click when you adjust the sight back in there. I didn't have it covered well once and lost it, and it took me about 30 minutes to find it because it is minuscule. But I did find it. I put it back in. The old spring, everything. I oiled, decreased the whole thing, got it good to go, and it's got a really good sight picture now, and I'm very happy with it. I used the punch to punch it into place on this side. You have to have a special tool which you turn. While you're turning this one, you keep this one stationary, and I improvised with what I had, and then you punch it into place so that you have a really nice tight sight, which I do have, and it has a good sight picture. I may sight it in again when I go shooting this weekend. Alright, that's all I've got.